So I'm making this flyer design for a client right now, and I just want to show you something that you can actually do with your Canva AI right here. This Canva AI, and I just want to change our image from this to this. Okay. So what I simply did was to select the image, and I came here and I just typed in I want the image of a vibrant youth. I'm just going to click on send. In Canva AI, it's just going to do its thing. It's going to look at the image and be able to change it to a vibrant youth. So give it some second and you're going to get the result. Voila, just like that. And you can change the dress, you can change the hair, you can even make it to be a male. I can say I want a male. Just like that, you're able to get your design as fast as you can. And by the way, if you are in the US and you want to sign up for, you want to learn a skill and you want to learn something like project management, AI skill, customer service, professional communication, Scrum fundamentals, career readiness, resume tips, and interview preparation, please sign up for this program. The link is in my description, and the program is absolutely free with no extra costs to you. Happy using Canva to design, and I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.